There you go, fellas. Fat Bogan here. Watch this shit, eh? Give it a minute, eh? It's 2 seconds. I'm gonna have a conversation with their law, you know? Like, yeah. What's going on?
Head into a Porto right now for a whole flame grilled chicken brush braised with your choice of sauce for only $10. Available Monday to Wednesday only, just go a Porto.
Kate, Tim, and Marty. Nova, Kate, Tim, and Marty. After 5
G'day, mate. How you going? Hey, my house is just about 200 metres down there on the left. What's that?
Plus, if you're watching,
I need to get home, mate. I've driven all the way around, eh? What would happen if I drove through? On what charge?
Started the fire. Not what didn't start the fire like this song.
What's the penalties?
What started the fire? The house fire.
Mate, I'm dehydrated, man. I've been driving around. I've fucking been stuck in peak hour coming back from work.
Just a wish though.
You got water? Can I have some water? You got water? I've got no water. It's like, you know, that's an occupational health and safety risk right there. Thank you. Good job, guys.
It really is. It's actually annoying.
Just parking up. All good. I'm just parking up. Sweet, man. I'm going over here, alright? Can't be fun.
Marty, yours looking fine. Thank you. Obviously, you haven't got any hair in your head, so your ponytail's elsewhere. And more
Fuckheads.